Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Odoo Discussions YouTube channel. My name is Muhammad Yunus, and in today's video we are going to talk about two things. One is that in our section we are missing the navigation at the top, and the second thing is that for the course detail view we don't have the support of the portal. So first we will need the support for this view, and then we will discuss how we can add the navigation at the top. So in order to add the support, so let me just explain and let's just understand that how it has been added in Odoo default view. So we will take an example of the tasks view. So if you go here, we need to first find out the external ID of this template that is responsible for it. Okay, so we can just go here and see this is the template ID which we can easily find, and let me search it in the Odoo add-ins. So if you go here, so this is used in many places, but we will add the double quotes to match exactly the view, and we will find in the XML. Okay, so here it is used in this case, and it is also, this is the actual view. Okay, so let me just open this. So here we can see that this is actually inheriting the portal sidebar view, and so we just need to do the same. Okay, and using the XPath to add the code for displaying the detail. So we will copy this because we need to inherit this template and then add our code, and then we will go to our template .xml file. So here the view that is responsible for displaying the detailed view of the course is this one. So here what we can do is to add this code inside this code. So here what we have done is inherited this view, and we will change this to course, and then we will also change the name to course, and inside this XPath we will add this code. So just copy and paste it here. So we need to just replace the ID with this one because we are going to comment this section. Sorry. So now we need to upgrade the module to see how the changes looks like. Okay, the module has been upgraded. Let me refresh this page, and then we will see our course view. So go to home, classes, and let me see. So here you can see it is now inside the portal view. So we can make it looks good by adding some CSS classes and everything, because and we can get the idea from here. So we can add the same code for here, but the topic for today is not how to design the template. So you can just understand it easily if you understand the CSS and HTML. Okay, but we are going to talk about the logic more. So now we need to add that navigation. So in order to add the navigation, so for example, if we go to this, and here we need to find the external ID of the template responsible for this navigation. So in the previous video we have discussed that we can simply go to the inspect element and copy the external ID from here, but this external ID is responsible for this whole view. But we are just need the view which is responsible for this navigation. So how we can find it? So it is very easy. So you need to just select this and bring the cursor over this. So this will select the view which is responsible for this. And here if you scroll down, you will see that it will highlight each part. So we need to find this view like this and this. So in order to do so, if you bring the cursor here, you will see this view, and here and you will see that the model is ir.ui.view. So whenever you see this model, this means that it is representing the XML template, and then you need to copy this ID, and you can search this inside the Odoo backend. So we can go to settings, technical, and then inside the views we need to search for this ID. So go to here and then ID, and then search for this ID. So you will be able to find exactly the view that is responsible for this section. Okay, so here you can see it is like this is the external ID. So we can copy this external ID and then search inside the Odoo add-ins to see the XML code. So just it is, and let's me open it. So this is the template. We can just copy it and then I will explain step by step. So we can go here and then let me paste it here. Okay, so first we need to change the ID. I will add course, and here I will add Open Academy, because Open Academy is the module name. And here it is inheriting the portal breadcrumbs template. So priority will remain the same. This is the X path which will remain the same. So here is the page is equal to code. So this page needs to be defined in the controller also, so that it can differentiate like what kind of view this is to display the data accordingly. So we will add the name here is course, and we will remove the next thing because we don't want to display any other data. And we will also add here course. Okay, so this course needs to be defined inside the controller. So like which controller is responsible to display this detail. So here we can see that this is the responsible controller. So here we will add another attribute which is page name, and its value will be course. So whatever you add here in the XML should be added there in the controller. And this course is actually the course that we have defined here. So like we can see here, we have added a T for each loop, which is courses contain the multiple record set and course is the single record set. So this is it. So whatever attribute you used here, you need to add it here, like here. And this is the one that is coming from the controller. So we need to add same thing here. And then this is the path that is responsible to move there. So we need to see what is the path. So in case if you want to see all the courses, so this is the path. So let me just copy it here and paste here. So keep query means that it will keep the base query same as it is. And then here we can say courses, and the same thing will be added here. So page number, we don't need this. Okay, and we can just comment this for now, and we will discuss this later. So we have added it 2 times. So one is inside the link and one is without the link. This is because if there is any course that is displaying, so we should add the link so that we can go back, and this is without link, which is not clickable. Okay, so let me upgrade this thing. So first we need to restart because we have added this parameter inside the controller, and then we need to upgrade. Okay, the module is upgraded. So let me go back here, refresh the page and go to classes. So here you can see this is added, but if we go to the detail, we cannot see the navigation. So in order to do so, we will use this condition. For example, it says if there is sale order, so we will say if there is course and we don't need this, then it should be course.name. So we can make it like course.name, or we can make it course.code also. So whatever data you want to display. Now we need to upgrade the module again, and let's see the change. Okay, the module is upgraded again. Let me go back and go to classes, detail view of the class. So here you can see it has been added, but the problem is that when we click on the detail view of the course, the first navigation disappears. So this is because we have not passed this page number in the next controller, which is responsible to display the detail view. So this is actually displaying the detail view of the course. So here we need to pass the same parameter like this, and then we need to restart Odoo service. So now I will refresh this page. So classes and then any course. So here you can see, but if I click here, it will redirect me back to the list view. So you can navigate like this. So this is how simply you can add the navigation and the detail view for the course. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we will discuss how we can add the search and the search here that we can see here. So we will discuss this in the next video. If you find this video useful, please give a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.